Hello, this is Nick, and here's a tutorial for crypto deposits. In this video, we will use the Trust Wallet app to make a deposit. There are other crypto wallets and exchanges you can use like Kraken, Coinbase, and Cash App. The deposit always starts from your client cabinet. First, log into your client cabinet on our website. Go to the Finance tab and select Deposit. Now, choose your trading account. Choose cryptocurrency as your payment method. In this instance, we are using USDT TRC20 as the coin. There are other coins you can use like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. If you want to use the bonus, you can apply it by checking the bonus box. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Make Payment. Read the pop-up message and click Submit. On the next page, read the pop-up message and click OK, got it. You'll see a page displaying the crypto address to send your funds to. Double-check this address. It's crucial to make sure your deposit reaches us. Open your crypto wallet or crypto exchange. This is the second phase of making a deposit using cryptocurrency. In this case, we are using the Trust Wallet on an Android device. You can use iOS devices and a browser to access a wallet. Select Send. Choose the same coin selected in your client cabinet. It's crucial to use the correct address for the type of cryptocurrency you're sending. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique address. For example, if you deposit in USDT TRC20, make sure to use only the USDT TRC20 address provided in your client cabinet. Sending funds to a wrong address, like in this case, a Bitcoin address would be wrong, it could result in losing your funds. Enter the provided address. You can scan the QR code to avoid errors and to copy and paste it more convenient. Copy the deposit amount, the amount of the coins that was shown in the client cabinet after the discount was applied. Review all details on the confirmation page in your wallet app and confirm the transaction. Transactions typically process quickly, but timing can vary due to network congestion and the workload of your exchange or the wallet. We will instantly credit your account when your wallet processes the transaction. To check the status of your deposit, go to Finance tab and click on Transaction History. Find the order and check the status. To see all the details of the transaction, click on the action icon. Also, you will be notified by email that your deposit has been successfully done. So to wrap up, here are some important reminders. Always start your deposit from your client cabinet to get the correct details. Never use an address that was given for a previous deposit, and always double-check the crypto address before sending the money. Be aware that network congestion can delay transactions. In your wallet, you can check your transaction's status. If it shows words like pending or processing, it means that your wallet hasn't processed the transaction and we are yet to receive the payment. I hope this video will be helpful. Appreciate your time and goodbye.